Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yakee brand electric blanket and it is not heating up. It's giving you some kind of error. It might be an E error or an F error. It's not heating up properly. It might be blinking and you're wondering what's going on. So most of the time when you get an error like this, what's going on is that there's a poor connection somewhere. So all you need to do to fix this is just turn your blanket off and unplug it from the wall, and then just check the connections going in and out, the wiring going in and out of the controller and in and out of the blanket, and make sure there's nothing loose or disconnected or frayed or anything like that. And then the next thing you want to do is plug your blanket back in, but make sure you plug it directly into the wall. Don't use an extension cord, don't use a power strip, and make sure it's plugged in nice and snugly. And if that gets rid of the error, then what might have been happening is if you were using an extension cord or a power strip before, that power strip or that extension cord was just not heavy duty enough to carry the electricity that the blanket needed. And you'll need to just use it in the future, use it plugged directly into the wall, or via an extension cord that's more heavy duty. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.